Hello, what's going on, people? Today, I will be making oxtail. Your girl, Tashina, your Jamaican yacht gal, in the kitchen. And I will be making oxtail for you guys today. So, let me show you what I'm doing. I have 3 pounds of oxtail. I tie it out in the bag. Come in, I want too much water. Get in my meat and wash out the flavor. And I have my vinegar. My white vinegar to wash my oxtail. So, let me show you the seasoning I'm going to use. Let's get into it. Alright, people, so I'm going to have my cutting board and my knife because any extra fat with it on the oxtail, may I remove it because the big belly not going to work. Now, I'm going to put my brown in pan because I like white meat. I have my black pepper. I'm going to use the beef cube because I'm going to use salt. I'm going to use oregano, some complete seasoning, some oxtail seasoning from Highland Spice, some jerk seasoning from Grace, some all-purpose seasoning from Grace, and I'm going to use some Walker's Oat jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, so that people, so that all of the powder seasoning I'm going to use. And then over here, I'm going to put my garlic, my country pepper, and my onion, and my scallion, and that's all I need to make this. So I'm going to show you how I get it done. Alright, so when I'm looking at my kitchen sink, I'm going to add oxtail, but you know, watch my belly, don't watch my belly, it's big. Anyways, my oxtail, I'm going to take it out of the bag. Step by step, I'm showing you. Out the bag. Right? And look at that. Look how nice them piece of the meat is. However, I have my cutting board with my knife ready to take off the extra fat. And look at so. Here, see this? This is the extra fat. So I'm going to remove that. See? Extra fat. No want that on the meat because that has add too much grease. I'm sure I want to go. Alright, so I'm going to cut off the extra fat, put off one side, put the meat over here. So cut off the extra fat that we don't need. It's not that fatty. Look at that, people. Ooh, nice. Anyways, no fat on the pan one there. Clean already. And that's how I just go in and cut off the fat. Cut them off. This one clean. And this oxtail is a pretty clean oxtail. We don't have much fat on it. So the rest of them is pretty tiny, not much fat. I'll put that in here. And my vinegar, people. I'll put some vinegar straight on the meat. So I'm going to wash my meat. Cold water. Wash it off with the cold water. See? And then strain that off. Right here. You don't want to get too much of the red out of your meat. You know that makes the meat taste good. And that's how I clean my meat. That's it. And I have my oxtail nice, wash and clean and ready for the seasoning. Anyway, I put on my seasoning a little different, you know, they're not in order. Everything have order. So the first thing I put on is black pepper because, you know, I'm gonna have my dry spoon. I'm gonna dip in there. See that? And you just gonna use them any amount you want. You go use the amount you want where you feel satisfied with. So I'm gonna put on my black pepper. Then the next thing I'm going with is my all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose, what is my name? Oxtail seasoning. I'm gonna put that on it. You put amount you want, and if you feel like you know enough, you go ahead. Put on me all-purpose, you know. Then we put them over this, a jerk. Another jerk, and I love that jerk. Look here. All kind of things in there. See that? All kind of things like pimento seed, pepper, all kind of things. Look more. Just showing how that look when we don't put on. Then oregano, and a little bit of oregano go far, but you don't need a lot. Just need a little pinch, you know. A little more, a little. Yeah, that's it. Then now, I'm going to dump in me Walker's Oat. Dump that in and look up on that. See that? See my Walker's Oat now. This spoon wet. You know, Walker's Oat hot and spicy. You can put as much of this as you want. How hot you want it to be. And then, get my hand and dry. I'm going to put this beef cube. I'm just going to use half. As I said, I use this most of the salt. It adds seasoning, but you don't know most of the salt. Anyways, that's that. I'm going to add some complete seasoning. You see that, people? Anyways, I'll get a big fork. I'm going to rub you and see how you look. And when you rub it in, I use my hand. I like my time. This is going on the finger. I'm going to like gloves thing. I can't use my fork. See that? You have to can mix some stuff. And ladies, I'm going to do this. I'm going to stuff in my belly. I'm going to find my exercise. Jesus, if you never know how this smells nice. The water good. These are cake. Look at it. You know, they don't even add brownie. I don't brown. You know how? I'm like, have some color to the meat. You know, like a little color. Not the sound. Away. And a little bit. Oopsie, you don't want too much of this, because this will be really black. You don't want too much color. Alright. Alright, and mix that in, and trust me, this look good already by itself. This look good already. This look good. But I gotta add a little bit more of this. Because trust me, I love when it well spiced. Well spiced. People, you see the pepper and the garlic, it first to go on. I'm just gonna add seasoning in a order. So now get me pepper, wash them off. And you know Jamaican don't want a cutting board to cut up seasoning. But if you're not used to it the other way, use a cutting board. Alright. Jesus, the pepper smell like it does smell good. When you have the pepper people, it'll start kick with the oxtail. You go want to start eat. And you know, I like it hot, but this hot. So if you can't manage to eat, don't use so much. And be careful when you cut it, it will fly out in your eye. Alright. I'm going to mix that in because I just love the smell of the pepper with the seasoning. It smells really good. Get it in there. Get that in there. Get that in there. Now this is the Jamaican way. The Jamaican way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You have to check out Jamaica. See that piece of meat? And that piece, you don't have enough seasoning. You know, like how you look, too red. And once the season, once the meat, once the cover. Just blend it in. Alright, people. I have my garlic. So I'm going to blend up these and come. Not blend them. I'm going to mash them, I'm going to shred them. I'm going to show them. Right, so this is my little garlic. My garlic chopper, you know. Turn the cover. And I make a bag of nice. And the lock. Alright, the lock. Alright, so my garlic. I'm thinking I want to put the onion in this too because you know only chop it up, but you kind of it make it juicy. So you see, that is the amount of garlic I use. I use a lot of garlic. So you can say garlic is antibiotic and this and that. So I use a lot of garlic. And you say good for you. And plus the garlic is spicy. So you can use a lot of spice. Add a lot of spice to the meat. So, see that? Jesus. Yo, try it just like this, people. And we smell when I smell. Just like this. Look at it. I'll tell you now. Right now, we are even. Mix it in. Yes, stuck in it, belly. Mix it all the way in. Alright. See, I'm going to do the garlic. I'm going to do the onion the same way because I like how juicy it make the thing, you know, make it juicy. So I'm going to chop that up and show. Okay, my onion. Like that. Lock. Lock. Alright, and before I get my onion together, I have my glasses because this now going to burn out my eye today. Alright, so I have my onion. I'm going to put that in there. The onion is thick. As I said, something here kind of make it juicy. They take the juice itself. Okay. Alright. I'm going to rub that in, you know. Oh my god. See that one here? Still burn my eye. What must have bad? Alright. See that, people? This spicy bad. This is hot. This probably gonna be the best oxtail I'm gonna make. Why? Because I do it on camera. I'm gonna do it for people. But now I'm gonna just dash on the seasoning and dash it today. But I put pride in making this today. In seasoning this. Because so I'm going to put a little bit of scallion on it. Don't really need no scallion, you just need to just marinate. And what time now? We can't see. So I'm going to take off this, you know. And look for time. Alright, at 12:20. I'm going to cook this until 5 o'clock. So I'm going to cover it up and make it marinate. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit more pepper on it. I shouldn't do it, you know, because I alone love pepper in this house. But when you're cooking, you have all the advantage when you're the chef. Whew, that hot. Alright, people. And that's how me season up my oxtail. I'm not even going to put the scallion. I'm not going to put it until I'm cooking it. When I'm cooking it, I add more scallion. So right now, I'm just going to get this plastic wrap thing. This plastic wrap. And wrap it up. And this plastic wrap I got helps. Get this plastic wrap, and this plastic wrap I got help. It I got help so much with keeping the flavor, the season, the spices in there. Can't escape. So because it cannot escape to burn nobody's eyes, it will just stay in the meat. And I still have enough with nice meat. Well, I'm going to do a taste test. I'm not worrying myself. Trust me, if you don't taste good, you don't taste good. I'm going to take honest. But this not look like it now will taste good. This look like it will taste good. Alright. Let's do it. Alright. And this one, put it from the way, yeah? Take it off. Alright, people. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Thank you guys for watching. You know what? Later, when I cook it, I'll be back. So later, guys.